Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss on detail what is big rig wreck attorney. So we continue our video. Indiana truck accident attorney, an experienced big rig accident attorney at Team Green is ready to talk with you. If you are someone you know has been hurt in a trucking accident, it's important to find an experienced truck accident lawyer who has handled cases similar to yours before and get them on your side as soon as possible following the trucking accident. It's possible that a person or a business involved in the accident could be held responsible for your injuries. The only way to know for sure is with an immediate and detailed investigation. Often the trucking company will have a response team ready to take action as soon as they hear of an accident. Once you have an experienced attorney working for you, they can go to the scene of the accident to gather information to help them respect you and your claim. When you contact Team Green, you will have been experienced big rig accident attorney ready to counsel you and fight for our best interest. Why choose an experienced truck accident lawyer? You may be asking yourself, why does it matter to hire an experienced truck accident lawyer? Think about it. A huge percentage of traffic in Indiana is made up of big rig semi truck and large commercial truck. These vehicles are traveling the major highways and interstates such as all day, every day, especially because Indianapolis is a major hub for several large trucking companies with that made truck on the road. It is no surprise to hear of yet another truck accident, but accidents with these vehicles are different from car accidents because of the size, weight, and potentially hazardous cargo being hauled by these large-scale commercial trucks. The injuries can be much worse and fatalities are much more likely. When the stakes are so high, you need someone who can take what they have learned from previous trucking accident and use it to represent you and how our truck attorney can help. Semi-truck accidents in Indiana are unlike any other accident or personal injury cause. The insurance policy of a big rig and trucking companies can run into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and that's money no one wants to lose. That's why trucking companies and their insurance carrier will aggressively defend themselves and work hard to minimize their liability. It's very likely they will send a team to the scene of the accident right away to start building a cause that will be against you. Team Green is ready and waiting to hear your side of the story and use our experience at trucking accident lawyer to help you navigate the legal process and get what you deserve. If that happens and you do not know the laws that governs these types of accident or insurance policies, you may make mistake or trust the wrong people. If the police report says the truck driver is at fault, you may make assumption about which of your bills will be covered by the trucking company that end up being incorrect. That's why it's so important to call experienced truck accident lawyer right away. Here are a few steps our big rig attorney will take when you contact us about your trucking accident. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon and subscribe my channel for more interesting and informative videos.